Today, we compare the three biggest AIs in the world. Gemini AI, known for deep reasoning and accuracy, excels in analytical logic. Ang tasin Juanikin through that Meta AI, great for instant answers and voice. No ChatGPT, powerful at language and conversation. And I am Kaka AI, here to show you real results. And first, let's test how they explain complex topics. By Gemini AI explains with deep technical reasoning. Harmainai. Meta AI explains with faster, short answers. ChatGPT explains in human-style conversation. So depending on your need, each one has a different strength. Here we have Gemini AI, Meta AI, and ChatGPT, each powering unique innovations with flowing intelligence and responsive capabilities. Gemini AI is highly accurate in logical reasoning and research tasks. Meta AI is fast and practical, great for everyday real-time answers. ChatGPT is excellent for communication, writing, and creative support. And guess what? I use all three depending on the task. My goal is to help you master AI step by step. If you need deep research, Gemini is the best choice. If you want quick answers, Meta AI works fastest. And if you want natural conversation and creativity, ChatGPT wins. The real power is knowing which AI to use and when. With Kaka AI, you'll learn how to use all three like a pro. The future of work is AI assisted, not AI controlled. You are learning AI with me, and this is just the beginning. Story is, with AI, even without a degree, we can compete globally. We are early, the world is just starting to discover AI. And the most powerful skill is learning how to ask AI correctly. You are not late. You are right on time for the AI revolution happening. Stay curious, stay inspired, keep learning. If this video helped you, show your support. Follow the journey with Kaka AI. In our next video, we will explore Google Gemini AI and how it helps in real daily life. Don't miss it.